Some rides are unforgettable. Wild trips, huge moments, life-changing roads. But honestly, most rides aren't like that. Most of them are just this. A quiet day, a bike, a stretch of road. And honestly, maybe that's what makes them powerful. The ones without a grand destination. The ones where nothing earth-shattering happens. Just me and the world moving together. In a life full of pressure to succeed, to heal, to be better, it can feel like the quiet moments don't count. But the truth is, they do. These are moments that teach me how to just exist. No proving, no pushing, no pretending. Just breathing, just riding. There was a time when I thought healing had to feel epic. That if I wasn't chasing something bigger, I must be doing it wrong. But the longer I stay on the road, the more I realise healing is quieter than I expected. Healing looks like giving myself permission to not perform, to have boring days, to feel tired sometimes, to not always have the answers. On rides like this, I'm reminded the world isn't asking me to be anything other than what I already am. Maybe you're feeling stuck right now. Maybe you're wondering if you're doing enough, being enough. Maybe you're tired of chasing meaning. If that's you, I just want to say, you're allowed to exist. Right here, right now, without changing anything, without earning your right to be here. Not every ride has to be an adventure. Not every day has to be a breakthrough. Sometimes, the biggest victories happen quietly, just by keeping yourself moving through the ordinary. Thanks for riding with me today. If you're feeling heavy, you're not alone, and you don't have to have all the answers today.